In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo carousel in Wix Studio using a widget or app. A logo carousel can really enhance your website, making it both interactive and visually appealing. So, if you're looking to add that professional touch with advanced features like dynamic content, clickable logos, and more design options, then you're in the right place. To get started, you might want to consider using a widget or app from the Wix app market, or even from third-party providers, to leverage these more sophisticated functionalities. Let's dive into some of the popular options available out there. One option you could explore is the Logo Showcase by Purple Bear. This platform allows you to create sliders, carousels, or even grids of logos. It's particularly responsive and customizable, letting you tailor the experience to fit your specific design needs and the aesthetic of your site. Alternatively, there's the Elf-Site Logo Showcase, which also provides a versatile approach with options for slider or grid layouts, along with features like captions and linking. This can be particularly useful if you want to provide further context with each of your logos. Then there's the common Ninja Logo Slider widget, well known for its layout options and eye-catching hover effects. Once you've decided on an app that fits your requirements, installing it via the Wix App Market is your starting point. Navigate to the App Market and search for the app you've chosen. Installation is straightforward, following the on-screen prompts, and you'll have it set up in no time. Next, you'll want to configure your logo items. This typically involves uploading the logos you want to showcase. Most apps also offer the capability to link your logos, a great feature if you want users to click through to partner sites or additional resources directly from the carousel. Remember to ensure that your logo images are high quality and consistent in size for the best outcome. The next step is to choose your layout or carousel settings. This is all done in the app's dashboard, where you can experiment with different display options until you find the one that complements your site's design. Many of these apps come with intuitive interfaces, making it easy to see in real time how various settings will appear. Once you're happy with the configuration, it's time to place the widget on your page. You can simply drag and drop it into the desired location on your website. Finally, you'll want to style it in line with your site design. This might involve adjusting colors, fonts, or sizes to ensure the carousel fits seamlessly with the rest of your page elements. Most apps provide a rich selection of customization options, so you should have plenty of control over the final look. And there you have it. Creating a dynamic and stylish logo carousel on your Wix website using a widget or app is a fantastic way to make your page stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your website shines even brighter with its new carousel feature.